Hi friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make the quickest and easiest fufu recipe. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to use two kinds. So I'm using plantain fufu and cocoyam fufu. I haven't tried this combination before. This is like the first time, but I am going to try that because I know a friend of mine who tried it once before and she said I should give it a try and then share the recipe with you guys. So I'm adding here 1 cup of each fufu powder. Yeah, usually I make my fufu this way when I'm in a hurry and when I don't feel like spending a whole lot of time in the kitchen. So I usually prepare my fufu this way, and I'm gonna go through every step by step so you guys will get the understanding on how to make your own fufu at home. And of course, we do get a lot of questions about how to make your fufu, so here is the recipe, guys, and I hope you truly enjoy this one. So keep stirring until it feels like a dough. That's how the fufu, the consistency is gonna turn out. Someone might ask, well, where did you get your wooden stick? So with this one, you can actually purchase some from Amazon, or you can buy it from any African store near you. I believe most of the states have African stores, you can get some there. So as long as it cooks through like halfway, you can add just a little bit of water and then cover it and have it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? And then of course you have to stir gradually so that way it cooks evenly. So that's what I did with my fufu. The consistency of this fufu is also, guys, it's very important when you make it. You don't want it to get too soft and too hard, then it will be difficult to enjoy. So make sure that you have the right texture. If you're like me, I really like cleaning up while I'm cooking. So by the time I'm done, my stove looks as new as possible. That is just by the way, guys. So you can tell fufu looks so good. At this point, you can give it a very light stir, you know what I mean? Not too hard, and make sure that everything is cooking evenly. The point of making this perfect and soft fufu, just take your time and make this fufu. So after you're done stirring, make sure that you let it cook for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna recommend that, unless maybe you're cooking it on the microwave. So the amount of time that you're gonna use to cook in the microwave is completely different from when you're making it on the stove. So yes, make sure that it is well cooked. So I'm gonna cover and have it cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, make sure that you're warming up your soup. You can enjoy with any soup of your choice. Could be peanut butter soup, ebunu soup, fish lice soup, chicken lice soup, okra soup, any soup that you feel like you really want to enjoy it. Just feel free, okay? Yeah, so as for today, I am going to enjoy with my leftovers abenquine, guys. Yes, I made abenquine and I have already posted the video on my page, so please feel free and check it out. Yeah. All right, guys, so you know how it goes. If you want, use your hands to shape your fufu. I use this eta to shape my fufu because I feel like it gives the fufu the right texture and it comes out so perfect, guys. You know what I mean? That's how you want it, but it's up to you. Whichever way that you want to do it, it's up to you. Alright, guys, so as you can tell, my soup is ready. I just warm it up and it's ready, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, guys, we're trying to grow this page, and please feel free and share for us. Share, and if you have any comment at all, please add it in the comment section. I would love to know how you guys make your fufu. You know what I mean? Share with me under the comment section and then let me know how you cook your fufu. I really appreciate all your love, your support. I know, right? Fufu without okra dear. Thank you once again, guys. I hope you really enjoy this recipe with me. Until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day.